Is your general health good? Has there been a change in your health within the last year? Have you been hospitalized or had a serious illness in the last 3 years?
No.
Are you being treated by a physician now?
No.
Are you being treated by a physician now?
No? No.
But ano? Pero naging ano ka na? Ito na-operahan ka?
Daming kaso.
Eh, no eh.
Ay, yun ang pinag-uusapan eh.
Oh, no eh. I'm good na nga. As of now, I'm feeling good.
So, date of last medical exam.
Di ba na-ibigay mo?
Tapos
Wala lang yan. Pero nag-check up talaga ako kaya nag-check up.
date of last dental exam.
Di ba October 10?
October 10, 2013. So, have you had problems with prior dental exam?
No.
Yes.
Yes, dahil hindi ako binunutan. Pero sa as of now, wala akong problema. Problema ko tumingin. Dahil dahil pangit ang aking ngipin. Pangit magtumawa.
Are you in pain now?
No.
Ano rin? Interview ka?
Kukuha ka sa video, oy.
Ka dyan, may
Binibideo yan.
Interview ka pa niyan. Lagyan na yan ha.
Paano
Have
nagpa-extra?
you experienced chest
Try ko nga sa
pain?
kabila.
No.
So,
Alam ko ba
have you experienced swollen ankle?
Dito pa rin.
Ante, picturante, shortness of breath.
Ay, interview
Jura,
yan.
interview.
Ay, tama yan.
Ay, sino ba nag-interview? Ano, ayos na ba ang interview niyo?
Ang ganda ng interview. Nasa beach.
Shortness of breath.
No.
Recent weight loss.
No.
Tapos, sightseeing mo. Yan. Habang nag-interview.
Coughing up blood.
Interview yan o.
Bleeding problems.
No.
Bruising is
Balik ulit. Kay madam.
Sinus problems.
No.
Difficulty of swallowing.
No.
Diarrhea.
No.
No. Frequent vomiting and
No.
nausea.
Healthy ako.
Difficulty of urinating blood. Dizziness.
Dizziness?
Oo. Have you experienced dizziness? Ringing in ears. Parang vibrating.
Binging?
Headache.
Sometimes, headache. Dahil trangkaso yan eh. Hindi maiwan.
Libre mo yan. Ayaw mo. Pinching scale.
Si Bakmat.
Do you have pinching scale?
Ano?
Ang ano?
Dapat tago kayo balis.
So, blurred vision.
Grupo kayo.
Vision? Yes. Kasi, ako. Sa malayo. Pag wala kami sa lapa, talaga.
Farsighted.
Nearsighted.
Nearsighted.
Ang near ka ba eh, malayo? Malapit. Hindi, ang tingin. Ang
Tingin.
sa mata. Ang near.
Malayo.
May diferensya.
Do you have seizures?
Yung...
Biglang nangingisay.
Wala. Wala tayong lain yan.
Epileptic na ata yun eh.
Wala tayong lain yan.
Do you have excessive thirst? Frequent urination. Oo, yung parating
Noon pa yun eh, pero ngayon. Inom mo na lang para madali.
So, dry mouth.
No. Basta lagi yan.
Jaundice. Yung jaundice pag
Naninilaw.
naninilaw.
Ay, wala. Panilaw. Hindi ako naninilaw.
Do you have joint pain, stiff neck?
Hindi ako
So, ito,